Alright guys, here's a quick one. Here you learn how to clear cache on your RedNote account or how to clear cache on RedNote application. So if you want to clear the RedNote app cache, this could be on Android and could be on iPhone, then here's a video for you. At the end of this video, you learn how to delete or remove or clear your RedNote cache within the app. So for the end of this, if you found this informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this, and do not forget that this really helps us to grow. Now to clear cache on RedNote app, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the RedNote application on your phone. Once you open the RedNote application, you want to sign into your RedNote account. So that is the first thing you want to do. Once you signed into your RedNote account, click on Me at the bottom right, and you'll be taken to your RedNote profile page. On the profile page, locate and click on the settings icon just beside edit profile. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the settings page. On the settings page, you'll see your cache here, then go ahead and click on clear cache. Once you click on clear cache, then you should see how you can easily manage your cache here. Then here you can see I have a total of 1.31 gig cache, the draft, that is chat file, none, and here to clear this cache, just click on clear this. Then you should see the cache cleared. Then you can repeat this on all of these if you have other caches or files you want to clear the cache on the RedNote application. And this is your draft. You can come here, click on manage, and then delete the draft. But in this case, I only want to clear the cache on the RedNote application. And then once that is done, hit the back button, and then you should see that you're good to go. So that's basically how to clear cache on RedNote app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.